Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to the new trading week. Today is July 13th. Time is currently about 9:09 today. This week has begun with a profitable trade already. Yesterday, I dropped a video. That is how I do it every Sunday. I dropped a video yesterday where I talk about outlook on GBP USD and Euro USD, and I only trade GBP USD and Euro USD alone. And guess what? Our anticipation is to anticipate sell, but we are approaching our trend line at the top, so we can have wanting to follow the principle that say we are going to sell from high. So that is the zone it is approaching. So any trade that we are going to be taking, we might be taking some buy, but it will be a counter trade. So this morning on GBP USD, I've already analyzed it. I've seen an example of I've seen inverse head and shoulder on the chart. So initially, what I'm waiting for is that the head and shoulder has formed. I'm just waiting for the second peak to break. So once the break, I will execute trade from that zone. But when market open today on 4 hour time frame, it is the on 4 hour time frame I see the candle. But when market open, it gives me some candle momentum at the bottom, so I just execute that trade instantly on GBP USD. That is GBP USD, and the trade I'm still holding it. This is the screenshot of the trade right here, and the trade on Euro USD, I execute that trade also based off of psychological level to approach our trend line to give us the authority, so before beginning to sell. So the trade also right there, that one has it take profit, that Euro USD has it take profit. So I'm still holding the GBP USD. Let me now I drop all the trade to my Telegram channel before I took the trade. When I took the trade, I drop it in my Telegram channel, so you can check it out. Link will be in this video description. So let me show you the analysis I have exactly on my chart, how I analyze it and how I catch it. So let me show you. So this was the analysis. This is the trade on GBP USD. I'm still holding this trade on GBP USD. Normally I trade 1:2. You can see this trade on GBP USD. I'm still holding it. I'm still holding this one, so it's still surging up in profit. I'm still holding it. Maybe after recording the screen finish, I'm going to break it from or tight my stop loss or thereabout. So let me hide this and go to 4 hour and show you what I have exactly on it, what I see exactly, because I do my analysis most of the time based off of 4 hours. You can see all the trend line that I use on 15 minutes time frame are based on 4 hours. You can see my main analysis on this zone is that this is an head and inverse head and shoulder. You can see one touch at this zone, come down, give us the fee pattern at this zone, another touch at this zone. Initially what I'm expecting for when I do my analysis during the weekend, that in that video I posted yesterday, is that I'm expecting price to just form a bullish candle at this zone and come up here, and once it come up here, that is the right way of trading fast head and shoulder chart pattern. So I will just execute my buy at this one. But if you look at this candle at this one and I switch to another chart, I see that this candle, there is a long candle in this chart that I'm using. I'm using FXCM, but on forex.com the candle show full momentum without showing any space here. So that is why I execute that. You can see these two candles now give us a bullish pattern, so I now execute that trade from that zone. Because of the candle that I execute this trade from this zone, so and now as this new candle pop up, I execute that trade on 15 minutes time frame. That is what I have on GBP USD, and the trade I'm still holding down on GBP USD. You can see this one on Euro USD, same thing. It is still same thing. You can see this is our psychological level at this zone that I'm expecting for market to close up at this zone, but it doesn't close up at this zone. This candle, I also saw this candle, and as I saw this candle closure, it is the body candle closure I used to trade on Euro USD today, and on GBP USD it is the body candle, and the anticipation we have already have. Overall, our anticipation is to touch our trend line at the top. So overall, market is heading up to our trend line. So any opportunity we see that, we can quickly scalp, we can quickly trade it on 15 minutes time frame based on that. Let me switch to 15 minutes time frame and show you what I have on Euro USD, exactly what I trade exactly on Euro USD. The trade I trade on Euro USD, it is a 1:2 trade. And the best thing I love about this trading style that I'm using, price action, where I analyze exactly on 4 hour time. Even if you have analyzed off on 15 minutes time frame right here, you cannot get it right if you have analysis on 15 minutes time frame right here, because all this analysis now I do it from 4 hour time frame. You can see this line right here. This is the zone I'm supposed to enter, but I've entered at this zone, and as it come in drawdown, I added more position. I calculate all risk well calculated. So this trade hit 1:2, and it's still moving, but I've exited earlier, so I trade 1:2. That once I execute my trade and it take profit, I don't have any. You can see this one is still loading. So that is all I have today, and the outcome of the day I'm going to show you. I'm going to record another video about the outcome of the GBP USD, outcome that we have at the day. Hello, what's up, guys? Today is Tuesday. Time is currently about 6:08 a.m. in the morning. The trade on GBP USD, I take two trade yesterday, which the Euro USD it take profit, and the GBP USD finally hit my tighten stop loss, although it has been moving, consolidating around my entry, moving profit, come down, but it finally hit my around that time. I think Trump released a news about that time, so the trade finally hit my tighten stop loss. So that account, the trade already have been floating in profit, but what caused me to lose that trade back is that over expectation, because initially on my trade I normally risk $25 on each trade, but that trade I've initially I'm not risking up to $25 anymore. I'm not risking up to $25 anymore, and in us the trade give me about 1% of the account, or 5k go to another account, which is $50. I'm supposed to take profit on that trade, but although I've realized my mistake, so the account I'm up about 109 on that account now. It is a 5k go to 100 phase one account. I'm up about $100 plus on that account now. So today now, this morning, I've seen I've secured two trade opportunity, which one on GBP USD, this is the screenshot of the trade right here, and one on Euro USD, this is the screenshot of the trade also right here. So I'm currently buying on both trades. So I will show you an update of how the day goes at the end of the day, and I also drop all the trade to my Telegram channel before and after. Before I took the trade, before I took camera to be recording this, I already drop it in my Telegram channel. So link will be in the video description to check it out. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe as the day. Catch you in the next move as the day goes. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. The trade on GBP USD did not hit take profit. It is close to my take profit and it consolidates around that soon, so I close it. Normally I risk 0.5% of the account, 5k profit account. I risk it on each trade, which is $25, and approximately once I trade 1:2, once give me $50, I'm going to take profit. So the trade is about the trade. I'm risking about $27 when I calculate everything. I'm risking about $27 on that trade. So the trade just fluctuates around $50. That was happened to me yesterday. That normally my principle is to close all trade at $50, risk 0.5% initially, and at 1% I should close all my trade. Either it take profit or it has reaches 1% of the account. So I close that trade around the profit supposed to give me is about $56. So I close that trade about $49, close to $50. I closed that trade. So it is already profit on that one, profitable trade on that GBP USD. This is the screenshot of the GBP USD. I've taken my profit manually on it. And the second trade on Euro USD, it take profit. On it take profit, and next seconds after it, I think next seconds or minutes after it take profit, CPI renews and market still moves in my way, but that doesn't concern me. I've executed what I have in the market. I've executed my trading plan. Anything that happened doesn't concern me. I come the second day. This is the screenshot of the Euro USD. This is the screenshot of the Euro USD. So today is a profitable day. I'm up about 1% today, and remember the account is a 5k gold 200 profit mark, and this is the account balance right here, and I'm in phase one. I'm to make 10% in phase one. So currently now I'm up about 4%. So I will still be hoping that tomorrow we can make profit. So today is a profitable day, so I will still continue this video tomorrow. Today is a profitable day. One trade on UPSD, one trade on Euro USD, and we secure approximately about 1%. About 1%. Hello, what's up, guys? Today is Wednesday. I've taken two trades today. I trade only GBP USD and only Euro USD, and the trade I take on GBP USD today is stop loss, and the trade I take on Euro USD also is stop loss. The reason behind the both trade is that the volatility in the market is very high. The market is just fluctuating. Although I execute the trade on GBP USD based on 4-hour candle close, so this is the stop loss on the trade right here, and this is the trade. It hit stop loss and started going in my direction later in New York section. So that is all I have. I took a loss today on GBP USD, and same thing on Euro USD. This is the screenshot of the Euro USD. Took me out and started going in my direction. But what I think it really happened on that GBP USD, I'm really right on that one, but my stop loss, I did not place the stop loss well, because it is like few pips it hit my stop loss. So I did not execute any trade again, since I'm out of the limit that I set for today. So stop loss hit on GBP USD, so I realized what happened. Same thing on Euro USD. It also hit stop loss. I think based on the candle closure, I did not it break, but it is a fake breakout. But what I learned now is that I execute all my analysis. I do my analysis from 4-hour time frame and execute it on 15 minutes time frame. I've get to realize now that executing trade based on candle closure is important than based on candle pullback. what I want to take note that is that new candle form after 4 hours on 4 hour time frame. So that is when I the time that 4 hour candle forms on 4 hour time frame usually determine when I will execute my trade around 15 to 30 minutes after the candle form on 4 hour time frame. After a new candle form on 4 hour time frame, that is when I get the opportunity to execute it on 15 minutes time frame. So today is a negative day, and Monday we are profitable, Tuesday we are profitable, and today now Wednesday we are not profitable. So we are still positive for this week. We still have some profit left. This is the account balance right now, and all this trade I send it to my Telegram channel. I not send it to my Telegram channel just for signal. I send it to my Telegram channel for accountability. So link will be in the description to check the Telegram channel out. So I not took any trade again today because I follow up my rule. Everything that happened today, I've accepted the losses. So tomorrow I will come back harder in the market. So let's see how the week goes. Catch you in next time when I'm going to be recording another video. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday. I've taken one trade today, one on Euro USD and the second one on GBP USD. I've set limits. I missed the entry when the initial point to entry, so I missed that. But on Euro USD I also missed that, but they candle pull back, so I secured the opportunity to entry again. This is the screenshot of the trade right here. It is already running in profit right now, and I've tightened my stop loss already. No, my trade management are based on key level or market zone that market give. I don't just type my stop loss or break even anyhow. I do it based on market structure. So I've tightened my stop loss on the Euro USD trade. So I'm still holding the Euro USD trade. The only trade that I took today is Euro USD, and the GBP USD left my supposed entry. So I did not took this is the screenshot of the trade. I've already set limit, but if I close this Euro USD in profit, if I later close this Euro USD in profit, I'm going to be deleting the limit on GBP USD, so I will be okay for the day to recover. That trade can give me and take me back to $200 plus on that account. So that is all I have for today. Now that is what I'm still holding, and New York just resumed now, so I don't know, that trade might tag me in. So that is all I have. I'm going to be catch you in next month when I'm going to be recording another video. Hello, what's up guys? Late in the afternoon, great result that cancel insult just happened right now. The trade I'm holding on Euro USD, it take profit and I make profit off of that. And the stop loss limit that I set on GBP USD, the sell limit I sell on GBP USD did not tag me in, but market retraced back close to it. I enter with little risk, using the same 1:2. The initial trade, if I took it, is the 1:2 trade. So I now set my stop loss based on the entry where I set my limit to, and I use same take profit. So the trade, it take profit when the trade is about to go down to it take profit. Although as the trade that I did not enter from initial entry, so I enter with little risk. When it's about to close to the take profit, the trade is fluctuating, is giving some higher high. So I add two position, which is overall position. Overall, the two position is 0.1 lot size. So I make profit off of that GBP. So today is also a profitable day. So the losses that I took yesterday is an unnecessary loss. So I've realized that, and I've get that off of my head. Although that want to break all my wood that want me to over trade yesterday, but I try to overcome that. So today I come harder in the market and we are able to secure profit. Although I have wanted to miss this entry that I took today, but I will still manage to make profit today. So this is the screenshot of the Euro USD that it take profit, and this is the screenshot of the GBP USD that I added more position and finally it take profit. And this is the account balance for today. So remember, Monday we make profit, Tuesday we make profit, Wednesday we make losses and unnecessary losses. Although our prediction goes well, but our stop loss placement is not correct, and before this app we have already lost our daily limit. So that is why I cannot execute any trade again. So today is also a profitable day. So let's see how tomorrow is going to go. Tomorrow is Friday. Let's see how market is closing tomorrow. Let's see how tomorrow is going to go. So the account, I'm still positive. Overall, I'm still positive for the week. If I risk 1% of the account tomorrow and I still lose, I've anticipated that. I'm not expecting to, I should accept the losses before it happens. So if we execute trade tomorrow, if I encounter losses, I'm still positive for the week. So that is all I have today. I will continue the video tomorrow, which is Friday. The market is closing by Friday. Catch you in next time when I'm going to record this video. and trade safely. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. What's up, guys? Today now I've taken two trades exactly. I trade only GBP and Euro USD. That is all I trade. I've taken one trade on GBP one trade on Euro USD. The first position that I first entering on Euro USD, it's stop loss, but it's stop loss and I reposition and I enter again on that trade. This is the first stop loss that I first it stop loss. This is it, and right currently now it's running in profit. So this is the screenshot of the trade. You can see the chart history there, the one that first hit stop loss and the one that I still enter again that is still running in profit now. So that is all I have on Euro USD. So on GBP USD, I've taken one trade on that one, but as it moves up, it is moving close. I'm in drawdown. During that time, I'm in drawdown. I only add more position when I'm in drawdown. I don't add position when I'm in profit. So I added more position on that one. This is the screenshot of the GBUSD. Is currently also running in profit. So today is looking like a profitable day. So let's see how today goes. Right now, I'm going in some minutes from now. When this candle, I'm looking out to some candle now. If it's close, I'm going to be break even or tie surplus. So that is all I have currently now. I'm going to be putting all this video together and post it today. So I'm going to be updating you late in the afternoon what we have as the result of today. So that's all we have for now. Hello, what's up, guys? Late in the afternoon, the trade has moved in profit already, but I'm not on the chart during that time. So the trade is just consolidating. Although market is already closing today, so I later closed the trade with little profit. So he said the account back I've taken one losses on Euro USD today. I recovered the losses and I still make little profit off of today. So today has not been a really good trading day, although we still thank God that we are able to make something off of the market this week. Although overall this week I'm still positive. So right now I just want to gather all these videos together in order to post it today or post it to that tomorrow, which is Saturday. So before I will go and review all the trade that I took for the week, because that is how I do. I review the mistake that I do. Like today now, I will review or what happened that make the trade to do like that. But although the trade will finally take profit, but I don't want to expose the account to unnecessary losses while I'm not on the chart. So I know I don't want to put emotional into that trade. The trade, if I have leave the trade to hold it over the weekend, the trade might finally take profit, but that might make me to over trade on Monday. So that is why I later close the trade. So we are going this week is positive. So let's see what next week will give us, will have for us. So that is all I do for the week. This is the account balance right now. This is the account balance currently now, and this is the history for the whole week. What we do for the whole week. So you remember on Monday I show you the account balance. So this is the account balance right now. We are able to make something good this week. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, comment it below. And all this trade I drop into my Telegram channel. Link will be in this video description to check it out. So catch you in next video. I'm going to be dropping a video on Sunday where I'm going to be talking about GBP and Euro USD outlook. So that is all we have for the week. Catch you in next video.